So hello everyone, my name is Ankit Ganguly. Again, I am back with my recipe. So today my recipe is some delicious chaat, papri chaat. Generally, you can see in papri chaat, we give some in shop. You will see that they give potatoes. But today I will make papri chaat without potatoes. Okay, you come and see what is the result of the output. At first, I have taken hung card, 2 spoon only. Okay. Then after uh, we have to give some chili flakes. Then we have to give some dhania powder. After then we have to give some jeera powder. Okay. Generally peanuts are given from the plate. I am giving in the mixture also. Peanuts are given at the top of the plate or the garnish. I am giving here for the mixture also. Then I have giving some kitchen masala. Okay. Then what we have to do? We have to mix it. So come, we have to first mix it. We will give some IMLI chutney. Almost the marination is done. Marination means almost the dahi is done. Then see, here I have taken a steel plate. Generally for garnish, for plating in hotel industry, we use white color plate. As I am working in home, so I am using steel plate. Okay. Fresh papris, you can see I am plating here. Papris are placed. Then you have to add the dahi that you have made. Okay, you can see delicious. You have to spread it like this. Now I am giving imli chutney. Now I am giving some shev. Now I am giving some peanuts. Now again I will add some kitchen masala. Okay, so almost it is done. Again, some dahi is left. We will spread it. Okay, and now the homemade papri chaat is done. It's very normal. First, in the dahi, you have to add jeera powder, dhania powder, roasted cumin powder, kitchen masala, and obviously some sweet. Okay, so it's almost done. For due to some reason, I have to change my chef code. For that, I have to sorry. Okay, you can see the recipe. Okay, thank you.